Hello, Aibawan. In the last lesson, you learned some nouns. So let's see how to use those words with some location words. In this lesson, you are going to learn these 8 location words. The structure to use most of the location words are like this. First, the noun, then the word thiyanne, and then the place where it locates, and finally the location word. Now let's look at the first location word, udda. Udda. Udda can mean on or up. Let's look at how to use this word as the translation for on. Kude thiyanne and the udda. The umbrella is on the bed. The translation of the word thiyanne means like the place where it located is. Now, can you remember how we actually say kudaya? Yes, we change aya sound to a sound, so it's kude. So, the way we actually say this word is kude. So, the actual way we say this sentence is kude thiyanne and the udda. The umbrella is on the bed. Next sentence, sapattuwa thiyanne mese udda. Sapattuwa thiyanne mese udda. The shoe is on the table. Remember, you can use this word thiyanne only to talk about non-living beings. If you want to talk about living beings, you have to change this word to inne. As an example, gyanu Lamaya inne and the udda. The girl is on the bed. Doctor inne gaha udda. The doctor is on the tree. So you have to change the word thiyanne to inne when you're talking about living beings. Now, can you tell me how to say I am on the tree? First, you have to say the subject, then inne or thiyanne, and after that, where it locates, and finally, the location word. Mama inne gaha udda. Mama inne gaha udda. Second location word is yatta. Yatta means under or below. See whether you can understand this sentence. Pattare thiyanne mese yatta. Pattare thiyanne mese yatta. Pattare, newspaper. Thiyanne means where it locates. Mese, table. Yatta means under or below. Third location word is issaraha. Issaraha means in front of. Use the same structure as before. First, the subject, then thiyanne or inne, and then the place it locates, and after that, the location words. Dora thiyanne janele issaraha. The door is in front of the window. Kanda thiyanne ganga issaraha. The mountain is in front of the house. Pirimi Lamaya inne gedara issaraha. The boy is in front of the house. That's how you use the word issaraha. Fourth word is pitipasse. Pitipasse means behind or like in the back. Puttuwa thiyanne Dora pitipasse. The chair is behind the door. Gala thiyanne Kanda pitipasse. The rock is behind the mountain. Pirimi Lamaya inne biththiya pitipasse. The boy is behind the wall. Next location word is athule. Athule means inside. Mama inne gedara athule. I'm inside the house. Or it can mean like I'm in the house. Sapattuwa thiyanne pettiya athule. The shoe is in the box. Next word, eliye. Eliye, outside. Ehaa inne gedara eliye. She is outside the house. Ehaa inne gedara eliye. Paensala thiyanne pettiya eliye. The pencil is outside the box. Next word, ehaa paeththe. Next to ehaa paeththe. Lamaya inne gaha ehaa paeththe. The kid is next to the tree. Pihiya thiyanne handa ehaa paeththe. The knife is next to the spoon. Pihiya thiyanne handa ehaa paeththe. Next word, madde. Madde means in the middle or like in between. Can you remember how to say and in Sinhala? If you can't remember, the link for that video is in the description box below. And if you didn't know most of the nouns here. You can learn all these nouns in the nouns video. So, to say and in Sinhala, you have to add I or ui at the end of each noun that connects with the word and. As an example, malai gahai, the flower and the tree. When you use the word peththe, the sentence is like this. Putuwa thiyanne malai gahai peththe. The chair is in between the flower and the tree. Another example, pihiya thiyanne handai garupuai peththe. The knife is in between the spoon and the fork. That was the last location word, but the lesson is not over. Did you notice that we didn't learn the word for in and at? Don't worry, it's easy. Both of these words have the same word, or it's more like a suffix. Just end the noun with a sound. Kusiya means kitchen, kusiye means in the kitchen. Kanda Mountain, kande in the mountain. But there are some words you cannot add this a sound at the end to give the meaning in or at. For example, to the word gedara, which means house or home, you cannot end it with a sound. You just have to say, Mama inne gedara, I'm at home. So gedara can mean just house or in the house. There are some other words like this, mainly some names of cities. Examples, Kolamba, Gampaha, Kalutara, Mirigama, Nuara. You cannot end it with a sound even if you want to say you are in there. Same as the word gedara. Just say the rest of the sentence and say the name of the place. Now, what if the word already ends with the sound a before giving the meaning in or at? Don't worry, in that case, you don't have to change anything. Same as the word gedara. As an example, Eka mage iskole means that is my school. Eka thiyanne iskole means that thing is inside the school. This second sentence means where the thing is located, but in the first sentence it's just talking about the noun. As you can see, you don't have to change those types of nouns when you want to talk about where it is located. Okay, now to the summary. For the words uda, yata, issaraha, pitipasse, athule, eliye, ehaa, paeththe, the structure is like this. Subject plus inne or thiyanne, and where it is, and finally the location words. Remember, you have to use inne with living beings and thiyanne with non-living beings. The structure for the word peththe is like this. Subject plus inne or thiyanne plus the first noun I or ui plus the second noun I or ui plus peththe. The structure for in or at is just in the name of the place with a, but some words you cannot end it like that. If the word already ends with the sound a, don't change anything and just say the word as it is. I hope you can understand how to use these location words in Sinhala now. To see if you really understand this, try to make a sentence using any word you learned in any of my lessons and comment in the comment section. If you want to stay updated with my new uploads, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye!